How to fix could not load high resolution image in Messenger application. If you are having this issue while loading your image, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, open your App Store on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for Messenger. There you will see update button. Simply hit on that and make sure your application is up to date. Once you do that, on the top you will see settings. Simply hit on that. From here go to the general and then tap on iPhone storage. From here search for Messenger application. Once you are on your Messenger application, you will see two options. Among them choose offload app and tap on offload app again. Once you do that, you have to reinstall your application and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.